warmer out there. Isn't that something?
Certainly warmer than it was.
Exactly.
Everything's relative, you know what I mean?
That's right.
Let's show you what it was this morning across the state. 18 below zero in Greeley. And look at even some of our legendary cold spots like Alamosa and Gunnison were not even as cold as we're here in Denver. Crazy stuff indeed. Now today we did manage to climb up into the 20s, courtesy of some sunshine. Clouds are increasing now, and we'll get some moisture coming back into the state in the form of some snow for the mountainside, maybe some flurries on the plains for tomorrow. And with that cloud cover, not quite as cold tonight, but still pretty darn cold. So that 7 below eclipsed the old record of -2 back in 1955. 22 is our high temperature for today, if you want to call that high. Right now it's 20, downtown 15 at DI. Pressure's rising. Winds are out of the north-northwest at 9. Wind chills at 3 degrees. Our headlines, another chilly night, although not quite as bad. Snow returns to the mountains. Some flurries coming up on the plains. Cold air covers much of the central United States. It's 9 right now at Bismarck, but 70s all the way up to Washington, D.C. right now. So there's definitely a front in there, and that's where this front lies. There's thunderstorm activity in the Mississippi Valley, some freezing rain in Kansas and across Oklahoma. There's a little bit of snow coming our way over western Colorado. So on Futurecast night, snow develops in the mountains. On the plains, we get some clouds. Some flurries start to develop on the eastern plains by early morning. Maybe a touch of light snow here as well. I think northeast it's a trace to an inch, but 4 to 8 inches of snow in the mountains with lows tonight. Single digits and teens across most of the state, a few 20s out toward the Grand Valley. Front range will be 8 to about 15 degrees for the morning low temperatures. Some low clouds, some areas of fog early on the northeast plains. Some snow in the mountains again for tomorrow. Likely see another 1 to 3 inches there with flurries off and on throughout the day on the plains. Temperatures a little bit better, upper 20s to low 30s for tomorrow along the front range, but that's still a pretty cold winter day coming up for tomorrow. Tonight's forecast, 2, partly cloudy. For tomorrow, the high temperature expected to be at 32 with a few flurries possible. And looking ahead, we'll see another chance of snow come up Saturday. It'll be Friday night into early Saturday, maybe a couple of inches of snow, 35 for Saturday. Back to the 40s on Sunday. And then finally back to the 50s Monday and Tuesday before another chance of some light snow returns next Wednesday. It was just last Sunday that we were almost at 70 degrees. So we've seen a temperature drop from 70 to -7.